currency of the 21st century is contacts, and BNI is one of the world's largest referral networking platform where we help all our members to understand how to network and grow their contacts and connection. And this video, I'm going to share with you what is the role of a networking educational coordinator in every chapter. If you are an education coordinator, congratulations for taking this particular role. So if you are an education coordinator, remember you have one of the most important job in maintaining and enhancing the energy of the chapter when it starts, because every chapter meeting starts with a very quick, crisp 5-minute networking education slot. And remember, this sets the entire energy and tone of the entire chapter meeting, and the rest of the entire 90 minutes depends upon how we start the meeting. So you can sit with your chapter LT team, and your president and direct consultant will help you to understand what are the next 6 months plan, and every month, every chapter has a specific focus. We call that as power of one. So maybe some months our focus is on referrals, another month is probably focuses on attendance, visitors, conversion, business. So every month have a thematic power of one. And as an education coordinator, you contribute a lot for that 5 minutes of networking education during that particular time. So talk to your chapter LT team and design the entire 6 months networking topics, the educational topics. Some weeks you can contribute and you can speak and educate your members on that particular topic. Maybe if you find any one member who's very good in speaking with lots of energy, they have done some great work in helping the members, you can bring that member also to present during the networking education slot. So it's very, very critical and important you select the right member who can contribute and help all the members to understand the importance of networking, importance of business education during this particular slot. And very importantly, recognize them, appreciate them once the meeting is done. So these are all small things that you can do as a networking education slot coordinator in enhancing the knowledge of every member on how they can network, how they can pass referrals to each other and grow their business. So my best wishes to you as a networking education coordinator of your chapter in helping all members to learn and continuously grow. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Murli Sundaram, your Executive Director from BNI, Chennai CBD region. Thank you.